Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show how to propagate the Syngonium plant. It is also known as Arrowhead Plant. This is a very beautiful indoor as well as outdoor plant. It is a very low maintenance plant. Don't need any special care for this plant. Syngonium is a genus of flowering plant in the family Araceae, and it is native to tropical rainforest in South Mexico and West Indies and Central and South America. It is one of the best air purifier vine. It is a very low price plant. It will take 40 to 60 rupees each plant. This plant propagation technique are very easy. Just cut any stem and plant it into the normal soil or coco peat. And don't need any kind of rooting powder. It is a very easy to grow plant. Okay, let's start how to propagate this plant. First of all, we make the soil mixing. The ratio of the soil mixing is 60% garden soil, 20% fine sand and 20% vermicompost. Take a pot and fill it with potting mix. This is a very simple and easiest method. Take a scissor or cutter and cut a stem just like this. Already root or growth is started. Take this pot and plant it this cutting like this. After that we give some water. After 10 to 15 days this plant look like this. Roots are well developed. Look at this root development. This is a very fast growing plant and easy to care. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.